How you guys doing? My name is Carson, my wife's name is Sammy, and we are the complete couple. Today we are in Sandals OCHI, Jamaica, and we are going to be giving you a tour of the Romeo and Juliet Butler suite. It is absolutely stunning. 2 different pools, a master bedroom, a beautiful dining living area, and just you guys are going to be taken away. Here we go. So we're going to do a quick tour of the beautiful Butler Villa. So you walk in, you have your beautiful secluded pool, the beautiful waterfall, you have 2 of your own loungers, a beautiful outside shower, so if you need to do showering after the pool, you get your own 2 Sandals floaties, which is really nice. And then over on this side, right when you walk in, is actually your own hot tub. Now you have some controls, which is nice. If you click that one right there, I believe that is going to be our jets. Oh yeah. So it's got its own jets, which is really unique. Let's turn that off for the time being. So again, as we enter, that is what you walk into. Just a breathtaking view. Your own secluded villa. As we walk to this side, and you walk in, this is like your living room area. You've got television, you've got a seating area, which is a really nice desk if you need to do any work or anything like that. You got your own coffee pot, you got sink, that's storage. And then for us, they did a beautiful array. They did some cheese. They left us some cheese, and they left us a beautiful, look at that, a chocolate plate. Wow. That is just beautiful. So, back to the room tour. So you've got a nice round wraparound couch with the lounger, with the lounge sectional. Tons of liquors and alcohol. And then underneath here is going to be your fridge that is stocked. Now the Bud Light is something that I requested and paid extra for, so that is not normally included. Normally it is just the red stripes, but you'll get Cokes, yeah, you'll get your Coke free, you'll get Sprites, wines, champagnes, water, and red stripe. So that is what is on this side, just an absolute beautiful little sitting area. And then as we traverse back across, oh, it just started raining on us, unfortunately. So as we walk back across, now they had this set up for Valentine's Day, and just because of, as you've been watching, I don't know if you've watched, our trip has been a little bit of a wreck. So they had this set up for Valentine's Day, and just an absolute beautiful arrangement. Look at this. We left a little note, Happy Valentine's Day. Love, balloons. So as you walk in, you've got his and hers dressers. You've got a large television. Excuse those pillows, those are feather free because Sammy needs to have a non-down, feather free. You've got obviously a full dresser. You've got a nice long mirror for you to use. And then this is where it really steps up here. So they had this set up, look at that, love knows no boundaries, and the candles, I mean, just beautiful. So that is a beautiful center tub. As we turn around here, you've got a his and her vanity. So you've got her vanity, you've got his vanity. And then as we spin around one more time, you've got your standard toilet with a door, which is kind of nice that it has its own separate door. And then on this side, got a pretty large closet. So you've got some Sandals robes you can use. A very large closet. And as we go on this side, you're going to have your safe. And a pretty large safe at that if you need to store valuables. I will tell you one nice thing, I like how they have the safe elevated so you can actually put your suitcases. You can actually store your suitcases underneath, and then I've been storing items on top, so that's kind of a unique design and really nice. And then as we go this way here, this is going to be your full walk-in shower. I mean, look at that shower. That is just beautiful. So you've got a full walk-in shower. Can't beat that. Make you spin you around here so you can see the whole bathroom. So you got your vanities, you've got your tub, and just a beautiful master bedroom for this beautiful Sandals Butler suite. Actually, I think this is the Butler Villa.
No, it's the Romeo and Juliet.
My apologies, the Romeo and Juliet suite. So that is it. It did start raining. But that is your tour of the beautiful Sandals suite. See you soon. And just so everybody knows, we had to find out, this is actually how you control your awesome ice cold AC, and it does work really well. Basically, that's your mode, and when you click, that's your mode. When you click mode, like right now it's on cool, turn it all the way down where it's 16, and that is how you control it. And just to show you guys a real quick view in the evening, this pool has a beautiful light. It does change colors. It was one of the settings. And just the beautiful ambiance that this setup gives you. The hot tub was fantastic, nice and warm. It actually got pretty hot, but just give you a beautiful view at night. This is the beautiful Romeo and Juliet village right here. And then this is our room right down here. Right there is our room. Same is going to come out of it, where that building right there. But look how peaceful it is up here. Just lush green. So beautiful. Alright, and just wanted to leave you guys with some final thoughts. For one, you do get a loaded bar, and if you have a preference on champagne or alcohol, you can let your butler know, and they will bring that to you. Also, it is a really unique and nice feature that you can do like a breakfast in bed. You let your butler know the night before or the morning of what entrees you want. As you can see here, we got an omelet. I've got a breakfast burrito, and they'll bring it in, they'll set it up for you. It was a nice thing. They also have a late night menu. Now remember, the butlers are only available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. So if you forget what you want at night, just let your butler know in the morning, and they can bring that to you. They also leave towels in your room so you can enjoy the sunshine by your pool. And that right there concludes our Romeo and Juliet Butler Suite tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see all the Sandals food, some Sandals excursions, what the Butler has to offer. Hit that subscribe button. Watch our rest of our videos. We might already have a couple out. Check them out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.